Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to set icon for a menu in Odoo 19. So currently you can see that we have developed the University Education Management in the community version. Upon moving on to the enterprise version, you would be able to see that we have a dedicated home screen in the enterprise. So we just need to set a home screen like this in the community. So for that, we should have a module called Web Responsive. So we Cybrosys have already published a module called Web Responsive in the Odoo App Store. Let's move on to the Odoo App Store and let's download the Web Responsive for the Odoo 19. You would be able to find different versions which is available from Odoo 15 till Odoo 19. As we are developing the module in Odoo 19, you can just use the Odoo 19 over here. So to download it, you can just move on to download for V19 and this will be downloaded in your downloads folder. So let's move on to the folder over here and you can find the Web Responsive. So let me move on to the Web Responsive over here. We have the responsive zip over here, and inside this we'll be having the responsive module, web responsive module, and afterwards we just need to set this under the Odoo 19. So let's move on to Odoo 19 and later on you can just move on to custom add-ons and you can just set the module over here. Okay, so I have just given the web responsive module and later on you can just move on to the PyCharm, and inside the PyCharm you can see that we have added the web responsive module. Now what we have to do is we just need to load this module into the database. Okay, so for that you can just run the Odoo over here, and once it's done you can move on to the database, and here we just need to update the app list. So once the module has been updated, you can simply search for the web responsive over here. Okay, so what I'll be doing is that I'll be providing the name of the module web responsive, and you can simply click on activate, and we just need to wait for a while in order to activate everything and set over here. Currently you can see that the module has been activated and we have set the icon for the menu in Odoo 19, but you can see that the menu image is not showing over here. It's because we just need to set a web icon under the main menu. So for that I'll be moving on to the PyCharm, and inside the PyCharm we have the views. Okay, there you can find the main menu, which is University Education Management. I'll be choosing it. Once it's done, you can see that I'll be adding a parameter called web icon over here. Okay, and first you just need to set the name of your module. The name of my module is University Education Management. Use the module name over here. You can just simply copy it and you can just paste it over here. Once it's done, separate with a comma, and you can see that we have already set the icon for the app in the previous video. Okay, if you don't know how to set the image for an app, you can just watch that video. So you can find icon.png over here. I'll be using it, and what I'll be doing is that I'll be pasting it over here. So currently you can see we are not getting the path. Now in order to get the path, we just need to just use Ctrl+Shift+C. So this will provide the absolute path, but we only want the path from static description icon.png. Okay, so I'll be removing rest of the things from here, and afterwards we need to rerun the Odoo 19, and again let's move on, and from the Odoo apps here we'll be upgrading the module upon moving on to the module info. So afterwards you can see that the image will be taken to the module image. So currently you can see that the module image is loaded over here. Now let's imagine you just want to change the image from here, which is the image of the university education. So for that, again you can just move on to the files over here. So from the files you would be able to see that we have a image called university png. I'll be copying it and we'll be moving on to the PyCharm. And what I'll be doing is that I'll be pasting it over here. Okay, so let's paste it, and you can see that it will be pasted under the static. Okay, here we need to just set it under the description, right? So I'll be moving on to the description. Let's paste it. So you can see that it will be loaded under the static description, and let me click on OK. So you can see that the image has been added. Now what you have to do is, currently the image name is icon.png for the previous one. For the next image, you can see that this is the image. I just want to load this image. So I'll be using the path of this image, and over here I'll be replacing this. Okay, so you can simply change the name of the icon, but sometimes due to any small mistakes you won't be getting the result. Okay, so once it's done, again you can just rerun it, and you can just move on to the apps over here, and you can just upgrade the module. So after upgrading the module, you would be able to see that now the icon will be changed into a new icon. And you can see that currently we have set a new icon for university education. So that's all for today. And you can also just manage your Odoo from your mobile application. You can meet Mobo. Mobo is an open suite for mobile application. And you can manage your inventory, sales, CRM, purchase anytime, anywhere without hassle. Download today itself from the Play Store or App Store to run your business easily from your fingertips. So thank you for watching the video.